Well, I think that people in the business, I mean, the average person is very grateful for him to have a sense of humor and participate. I mean, Spicer obviously was compelled to do certain things that we might not have respected, or we might not have admired, or we might have been super critical of in order to do his job.
How's it going, sir? My understanding, you were in the room when someone was shot?
Holding the gun, yeah.
Okay, alrighty.
What do you need?
Well, I know your name, so
Okay.
it's
Let me call you back, okay?
Let me get with my lieutenant and see where we want you to hang out, okay?
Whatever you want to do. Whatever.
Yes, sir. All right, give me just a second.
October, when they said they were going to revisit it, it was not expected. Once it was dropped last year, I think people thought that that would be it. For some reason, there's additional evidence, which we're not exactly sure what it is, that has prompted them to go to the grand jury again and then have this indictment coming. So I think it was a surprise up until October, and then at that point we knew they're probably going to do it if they're going to take the time to sit a grand jury again. We just don't really know exactly the different grounds they have. Yeah, I think they're charging him in his status as an actor, and basically saying that, you know, you didn't exercise set safety protocol when you pointed the gun at the cinematographer. You should have pointed it off center, or performed some other safety measures. But they also may be going at it from the angle as a producer and generally responsible for the safety of the set as a whole. Which it is very questionable as well, whether or not that's a legitimate claim. Well, so now they're going to go forward. He's going to have his arraignment, and then they're probably going to have a preliminary hearing to see if there's enough evidence to hold him over for an actual trial. And that'll be interesting. That'll be an opportunity to really kind of cut the guts out of the prosecution's case. I think what his team needs to do is explain how the movie set works and explain why he had no duty in terms of the safety of the gun and was entitled to rely on an expert when they said the gun was safe. It's a huge problem. They are now imposing a duty on actors, not just a legal duty, but a criminal duty in terms of set safety. So anytime an actor uses a prop, whether it be a gun, a sword, driving a car, if something happens under the right circumstances and that prop malfunctions, the actor can now be charged. That's basically what this indictment is saying. And it's upending the order of filmmaking and the order that's on sets right now that really works. And it's gonna have a big snowball effect. You know, if now actors can be held personally or criminally responsible for using props, you know, now they're going to have a say in the set safety, and they're not even experts. Or maybe they're going to bring on their own expert. Maybe say, I'm not going to rely on the armorer on the set. I'm going to bring my own armorer to come on and make sure, since I could be charged criminally if something goes wrong. And then what if those two experts don't agree? You're now disrupting the order of the set, and it's going to make it less safe because people who are not experts and don't have that specific duty are going to have a say in that particular part of the movie making. I mean, this could be Pandora's box being opened up. Actors are, because of the personal liability, they're not going to do the scenes. So now, you know, we're going to have a separate understanding of whether or not a particular scene actor is going to do, because he could be held responsible. Insurance is going to go through the roof in ensuring the safety of movie making in a way that is just unnecessary, because if they follow the proper protocols and safety is in the hands of the experts, it's a safe world.
What did he have now?